see your face in every line of every dream that once was mine. Your touch still lingers on my skin, like something pulling me within. I hear your voice in silent tears. It's been too long, too many years, but every road I wander through leads me back, leads me to you. And I've been holding all this love inside. No more places left